Hello, I'm going to show you how to clean a WMF coffee machine. Come closer to me. This is the machine. Now all you need is this. This is the material you need. A brush, this, and a pill. Come back to me. Now we're going to start with a step. First step. You go to home and then shower. And here you see Reniging Glijbaan. Reniging Glijbaan. Groep links. And then you have to see and wait and do exactly what the machine tells you to do. Then you take a brush and you clean very well. You put this back in, you close it, and then you go forwards. And now you're gonna do exactly the right side. It's gonna wait, it's gonna tell you to do, take it out, and then do exactly the same. Put it back in, and you say, okay, further. Further. Now you go back and then you say Reniging Z-groep. Reniging starten? Ja. Naar reniging uitschakelen? Ja. Now you have to see what you're gonna see. You're gonna see. You have to take it out. Both. You take a spoon. Then you do it here on the side. You just open in both. And then you take those two and you put in each. Then you take the pill and you put one pill in each one. Put it in, pill, put it in. And then you say, it's all done? Yes, all done. This is done. Further. And now it's going to start the program. And now we take this out and we wash it out. And then we clean everything around. And then when the program is done, I'm going to show you how to do the finishing touch. I'll see you in a second. Thank you very much.